Hey guys, welcome back to another programming, problem solving tutorial. So in this problem we have someone who just wants to change the background color of a different view controller. So we have a parent view controller and a child view controller, and each of them have three buttons: green, yellow and violet, and when you click one of the buttons on the parent, it changes in the child view controller, and when you click on one of the buttons in the child, it changes to the color of the parent ones. So this is pretty simple to do, and we are going to be using notifications instead of delegates. I just think notifications are a lot easier, and we're going to be using storyboard just because that's what I do on this channel. So yeah, let me just show you guys how you would do this, and I'll just call it view controller background color. So first, what I'm going to do is create it in the storyboard, and this is pretty easy. All we really have to do is just add a new view controller in, just like that. And then I'm just going to create a segue from there to there, if it lets me. Okay, like that, and I'll just call this segue child view controller. I'll just call it child, and then I'll add in a notification, navigation bar to make it pop up. Oh no, not a navigation bar. What do you call it? Navigation controller, I believe. So embed in navigation controller, and now we can just add in my three buttons. So I could do it in a stack view, and I'll probably do that actually. So vertical stack view, I'll horizontally center it. Actually, I'll just give it some constraints like this. So what I can do is 100, 150 and 100. Then I'll just add in three buttons, button 1, button 2 and button 3. I'll just fix this in the stack view. You just change distribution to fill equally, like that. And now all I really have to do is change around this font size. So let me just make both of these 23, like that, and I'll make one of them green, yellow. I'll also change the color. I'll make it dark green, like that. Green, yellow, and I'll change color. I could make it yellow, but that's kind of hard to see, so I'll make it orange to just to make it a bit easier to see. And finally violet. Sorry it's taking a bit longer than it should, but you know. And now I'll just make it indigo. And now I just have to replicate this on this view controller. Let me just see if I can copy and paste. So I'll copy that and paste it in there. And I mean, you kind of can. I just need to put all the constraints in. So it's just 50, 100, 150. And yeah, okay. Now let's just add in a new file. Not a Swift file. A Cocoa Touch class. UI view controller, like that, and I'll just call this child controller. And now I believe that should be it. If I just link these up, and I'll just call it child controller, and I will just go to all of these buttons and create outlets. So green button and yellow button, violet button, okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do it so when you click a button on a child on the parent view controller, which is this one, it's going to open up the child one and it's going to change the color. And this one is probably a lot easier than the other one. So first, all we actually have to do is create a global variable, and I'll just call this child color. And by default I'll set it to green, so UI color can I not do UI color? What's wrong? Why can't I do UI color? Oh, maybe it's because underneath import UI kit. UI color. There we go. UI color dot green, and then I'll also make another function for changing the color. So change color, and then color. This can be a UI color, and it's just going to also move to the new view controller, which is a child controller. So we just named it child self, and now every time this is clicked, I can just change the color to green. Here I'll do like that. Okay, so let's just test this. Yellow and violet. Oh no, I forgot indigo. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in the child controller, when this loads, or when it appears actually, view did appear, super.view did appear, animated. What I'm going to do is just print the child color, like so. Just gonna go here, oh I know, I spelled it wrong. Color like that. So let's just do this. Oh, I'm running on the wrong one. And yeah, so this is just taking a bit longer, but it should be fine. Now all we have to do here is just change the view to the color, and now I'll do the other way around. So if I click green, and you can see it just well, it doesn't print the right color. I mean, it does, but it's the right color if you get what I mean. So now what we can do is we can just set the view color, self.view.color, background color is equal to child color, and if we try and run this again, we should actually get it. So if I click on violet, okay, maybe try again. Why is it not changing? Change color. Oh, I know why. Whoops. We forgot to change it. Child color is equal to color. Alright. Now it should be fixed. So I'm just going to do this. Open up green and it's there. Violet and it's violet. And yeah, so one thing we could do to fix this is instead of view did appear, I can do view will appear. And this should make it even better, as now it's not going to be loading. So if I click green, it should be green straight away. And yeah, like that. You can see it's not there anymore, but it is there. Yeah, I'll just change this to purple so we can actually see it. But yeah, then you can see that that works perfectly. So now the one left to do is the other way around, where you change it from here. So like the other one, I'm going to create a function change color, and I'm also going to create a new variable var parent color equals UI color dot green. So in the view will appear, I'll do the exact same thing. View will appear animated self.view.background color is equal to parent color, and now all we have to do here is in the view will appear, instead of this, so in function change color we add in the color, which is UI color. And what we can do is if we just go to this, first we want to set the parent color to the color, and we can also dismiss this view so it goes back to the main one. But then what we need to do is we need to send a notification to this view controller so it changes color. So let me make a new background, change background, and this is going to be an Objective-C font. That's Objective-C. all I do is self.view.background color is equal to parent color, and I can add a notification here. So notification center dot default dot add observer, and observer is for self. Selector is just selector change background, the name, and we can choose this to just change parent, and object is nil. And now once we've done that, we can go back here, and when we want to change the color, we can just do notification center dot default dot what is it called? I think it's just post notification, and then notification name change parent, I think is what it was called. One sec. Yeah, okay, so like that, and that should be it. Is that fixed? Oh no. What has gone on here? I think I might have done it wrong here. Notification center dot default dot post, and then name, and then it's just ns notification dot name name parent object nil, like so. I'm not sure what's going on, but I don't seem to be able to fix this. Where's the issue? Oh, okay. So what we have to do, notification, what is it? I think it's, let me just copy this. Sorry for this, I just forgot for a second, but yeah, that should be it. So now what I can do is, if I click on green here, let's change this yellow. If I change this, is it not going to? Oh yeah, we haven't actually linked up the buttons. Whoops. So what I can do, link up all these buttons: green button, yellow button, and violet button. And I'll just copy the code from this one. So change color green, change color yellow, and for this one it was change color purple, wasn't it? Like that. Okay, hopefully it works without any problems. I know this is a really long video for a pretty simple task, but you know. So if you click yellow, this is yellow, then this is violet, green, green, yellow, green, violet, yellow, yellow, green, and you can see it's just changing around. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.